Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to 2020. I can't believe that 2000 was 20 years ago. That seems like a long time. But if you want to know how I got this look using the Jacylin Hill Morphe palette, Dark Magic, keep on watching. Hey guys, so before we get started on this Jacylin Morphe palette, Dark Magic, I'm going to time lapse all of my foundation before I do this because I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, so now as you can see, I did all of my foundation and everything because I didn't want to bore you guys with that. So I'm gonna open this palette by Jacylin Hill, Morphe. I have never used any of her products, so I thought it would be good to start in the year 2020, which is now. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up. It comes with a little protector. These are the colors. I'm gonna go off camera really quick, take a picture. Sorry guys. Okay, I'm back for real this time. Sorry, I totally forgot. Maybe I have a picture in it from my Ulta Beauty one. I did this in a haul, but I haven't done it till now. So I am going to open it up, show you as I dip my hand in it. And I think I'm going to do this, it's called this one right here. And I'm just gonna make this my base. It's like really brown. It's almost like a smoky brown. Wow, I really, really like that. Then I'm going to add to the other side. Then I'm going to use this peachy color. It's called Proof right here. And I'm just gonna go in that. I think I'm just going to use these two colors and go back in with this one, make it darker. I really like this color. And you notice how I'm using my finger? Like years ago, I used my finger. So I'm going to take this brush and I am going to go in with this peachy color again and just go over it. These are like very, very like subtle. And I don't know if they're a matte finish or not, but I really like get off the excess. So now I am going to take my I don't have it. I thought I had my blending brush, but I don't. Okay, so now I am going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I am just gonna go in like so. almost use the green. The one thing, like, this is a good mascara, but it makes my eyelashes like stick together, which I don't like. So now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline one, and I'm just going to fix it up so it doesn't look funny at all. And I have not done my hair because I am posting this later and I don't want to stay up all night. So now I'm going to go in with my favorite thing of all time. It's by ColourPop. It's the brow gel. I'm just going in like so, and there you have it. Quick and easy, but I do like the eyeshadow by Jacylin Hill, but once again, I don't like the Lash Paradise. It's not good. So now I'm gonna come back with the end result of this video of 2020. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result of the Dark Magic Jacylin Hill Morphe palette, and I only used 2 colors in the palette several times to get this look. As you can tell in the previous slides, there are multiple colors, but I just wanted to use these 2 today because it was a very natural, subtle look with what I'm wearing. I got this sweatshirt at Marshall's, and then I'm wearing dark wash jeggings from Target, so I thought it would go good with my outfit. I wanted to say welcome to 2020. I hope that this year, like, I set many goals and I achieved them with your help. I really, really need your help. So with that being said, please like this video, and please also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. I forgot one thing. I want to say that Jacylin Hill has more palettes on the Morphe website and also Ulta Beauty, and I'll probably be going to Ulta Beauty and picking them up. Also, she had more of the eyeshadows in there. I just wanted a natural look today, so I'll probably be doing that in the near future. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, I wanted to say I used my Lip Sense gloss, and I used the color Sweet Pea. It's my favorite for this look, and it looks really good. Thanks for watching.